It doesn't matter which side of the fence you get off on sometimes. What matters most is getting off. You cannot make progress without making decisions. Whoever renders service to many puts himself in line for greatness, great wealth, great return, great satisfaction, great reputation, and great joy. For every disciplined effort, there is a multiple reward. Formal education will make you a living. Self-education will make you a fortune. Give whatever you are doing and whoever you are with the gift of your attention. Words do two major things. They provide food for the mind and create light for understanding and awareness. The worst thing one can do is not to try to be aware of what one wants and not give in to it, to spend years in silent, hurt wondering if something could have materialized, never knowing. The major reason for setting a goal is for what it makes of you to accomplish it. What it makes of you will always be the far greater value than what you get. To solve any problem, here are 3 questions to ask yourself. First, what could I do? Second, what could I read? And third, who could I ask? Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. The book you don't read can't help. Success is neither magical or mysterious. Success is the natural consequence of consistently applying the basic fundamentals. Success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines practiced every day. Success is not to be pursued, it is to be attracted by the person you become. Either you run the day, or the day runs you. Whatever good things we build end up building us. We must all suffer one of 2 things, the pain of discipline or the pain of regret or disappointment. Take advantage of every opportunity to practice your communication skills so that when important occasions arise, you will have the gift, the style, the sharpness, the clarity, and the emotions to affect other people. Effective communication is 20% what you know and 80% how you feel about what you know. Some people plant in the spring and leave in the summer. If you're signed up for a season, see it through. You don't have to stay forever, but at least stay until you see it through. Take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live. Don't wish it were easier, wish you were better. You must take personal responsibility. You cannot change the circumstances, the seasons, or the wind, but you can change yourself. That is something you have charge of. Don't say, if I could, I would. Say, if I can, I will. Every life form seems to strive to its maximum except human beings. How tall will a tree grow? As tall as it possibly can. Human beings, on the other hand, have been given the dignity of choice. You can choose to be all or you can choose to be less. Why not stretch up to the full measure of the challenge and see what all you can do? Indecision is the thief of opportunity. You cannot change your destination overnight, but you can change your direction overnight.